Spicy, sticky, sweet chili chicken. Boneless chicken fillets in a delicious garlic ginger spicy sweet chili sauce. Learn how to make this easy, delicious one-pan chicken meal from start to finish. Stay tuned. This sweet chili chicken one skillet dinner is so quick and easy, and it's always a family favorite. I have one very large boneless chicken breast that I'm cutting in half. Both pieces are going to be about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. Seasoning both sides with some kosher salt, white pepper, and paprika, giving that a good rub to coat all the sides. And now for the sauce. I have a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, a 1/2 cup of sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger, giving that a good stir. And finally, I have a 1/4 cup of honey, and this is going to help thicken the sauce, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of oil and placing in my seasoned chicken fillets. Cooking untouched for 3 minutes and then flipping, turning my heat down to a medium and cooking for an additional 3 minutes. Pouring over my sauce and making sure the chicken is coated. This will come to a light simmer, and I'm cooking for 10 minutes, occasionally flipping and basting. The sauce will cook down and thicken some. The chicken is done and I'm removing from the pan. I'm going to reduce the sauce about 5 more minutes, or until it starts to thicken and stick to the chicken. After 5 minutes, I'm returning the chicken to the pan and coating one more time with that delicious sauce. Garnishing with some chopped green onions and serving with a side of rice. I love the nice balance of the heat and sweet and all the garlic and ginger background flavors. I hope you give this spicy sweet chili chicken a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.